found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah.
Good morning, my lovely Skylifers. How y'all doing today? How you doing? You guys haven't seen me in such a long time. I haven't vlogged in such a long time. Right now, I force myself to vlog because I'm so sick. I can't explain. But this morning I'm on the farm. So the clippings you just saw before are taking care of the chickens. I'm heading over to the pigs. And somebody over at Pig Pen. I gotta turn around and go get my boyfriend. So somebody over the Pig Pen. So I have to turn around and go get my boyfriend. I'm coming out for a rush, somebody, isn't it? So on the farm, we have a lot of fruits. This is orange. Breadfruit tree. I have a lot of orange and breadfruit tree. Pineapple tree. May I try find one shortcut. I never hear some walk come. And Mr. Rose specifically tell me say Melica walk up there so. But may I try find one shortcut to get to him. So I'll show you one pineapple with the pineapple actually on the top. Up here I can see a pineapple grow. So I'm gonna show y'all that. I'll turn on the camera so you can see. So these are pineapple trees. Ouch. Okay. So this is a pineapple tree with a pineapple on the top. Try to figure out how to walk. Before I go back down here. So. Are you on this party alone? Rose. I'll come here, come up now. Alright. Somebody over there. Yeah. Okay. Show no one baby pineapple then. So this is what the pineapple look like when it's actually coming up. So guys, same thing I lady Frank Kappa. So guys, we're actually working on the farm. So what I just showed you is like our outside kitchen. Probably our catch when we're doing meals from there. Yeah, good up outside kitchen setup. So I'll have that to show you sometime in the future. But for now, just a go on easy back. Tired though, guys. I'm move me tired. So sick. I'm so tired. Can't manage. Anyways, see you. So the other day I went and got my farmer's license, my farmer's ID. So let me get catching up. Alright, my hold on. Yeah, so the other day I got my farmer's ID. The process is pretty simple. It's only $500 to get registered as a farmer. You get benefits as a farmer, and if I can get it $500, why not get it? So I'm officially a farmer because I got my farmer's ID the other day. So even if you have a small establishment or you have something in your backyard, you can get a farmer's license. So yeah, I'm encouraging you to get that. Do things. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna look at the pig. Somebody was just down there, so I came to get Superman. Yes, so we'll go down there, and that's gonna basically wrap up our visit to the farm. So I'm gonna look for the chicken them. You know, we have about 500 chickens. A lot of them are in the baby stage. So you have to take good care of them, give them the vitamins, give them the water, clean out them pan, and give them the feeding. We had a lot more pigs the other day, but we sold some. So we have like maybe a dozen pigs left. So our idea is to start breeding pigs. So the pigs that we have is hybrid pigs. So one pig give you like 30 piglets and stuff like that. So we have like 3 to 5 mothers coming. But we're now gonna say we're just gonna breed them, get piglets. Our farm is gonna be so big. Yeah. So, but when you deal with animals, they take a lot of time to deal with. You have to be very patient. You have to be very consistent with cleaning their pens and feeding them and stuff like that. So, yeah, me I go on chill under one tree until Mr. Rose come. Hold on this one. Shown there before, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button definitely. Leave a comment in the comment section box below. So this is basically what we do in the farm on a Saturday. Some of my pigs. That one there skin things to Romeo. Skin problem.
The trees on the fan them.
That's go. Fix
Top
the roof.
off over to when it's hot.
Burn them up, man. The rock. Oh God, Mr. I say the pig them hatchet. We are dead. Piggy. And these are some too. Holy crow and mommy give me them a two, yeah. Look like you're running belly. Wow. So guys, those are the pig serranos. And the pretty dome, not gonna lie. So guys, I'm in the field, the pepper field. The pepper field stretches all the way down there. picking some pepper, scotch bonnet, yellow and green. I'm about to take a rest. I'm so tired. But yeah, I'm gonna show now. This boil, this boil. This boil. Then I can pick. Yeah, I'm tired now, so Sarah's I go and pick, but they are go and rest. But with peppers, they're very good, quick overturn. Peppers takes about 3 months to be ready to be harvested. Now you can get $200 pound per $200 per pound for pepper. You have big companies that we sell to like King Pepper. They do like Eastern spices, and we sell to Grace, and we export pepper as well. So pepper is a good crop to invest in. It takes a lot of time, fertilizer, water. If you get too much water, they spoil. This crop that we had, they had too much water on it, so tired of see a lot of them spoil. But once they start to spoil, they don't pick them, they throw them away. They just pick the good ones and go through. So that me I deal with that now. Hard, tired.